Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to video. And today I'm going to show you on how to add image in Google Sheets. Now the first thing that you'll need to do is you have to open your Google web browser and then type out Google Sheets. Then click on the search button, and here you can see this website. Just click on this one and click on try Sheets for work, or go to Sheets, and you'll be redirected to this page. Now, if you want to add an image in the section, you just have to open a new tab and search for that image. So for example, I'll be using this one. So I'll just right click this one and click on the copy image. And let's go back to Google Sheets. Now just have to click on one of this section and then click on paste. And here you can see the image that we have copied from the new tab. So you just have to resize it accordingly. And that's how you can add image in Google Sheets. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.